Chef Neal, thank you so much for joining us. This is great.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
All right, so we all need a really delicious, yummy meal for the holidays. We want to impress our guests.
Okay.
So tell me about this.
We're going to do a truffled chicken pot pie.
Can't go wrong with truffles.
An American classic. Some people grow up eating frozen pot pies, but this is a whole different, level of comfort food. Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
excellent.
yeah.
All right, so lead us through it. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna put this burner on here. I've got a sauce pot here. We're gonna get it going with a little bit of canola oil.
All right, and why canola and not, say, olive oil?
It's got a neutral. It's a neutral oil. Olive oil will overpower the whole.
It's too strong of a flavor.
Yeah,
okay.
And it's better for cooking what we're doing here. So we're going to just start with celery, onions, and carrot.
All right.
That's going to be the base.
And how much? It looks like a cup of each?
Yeah, this is like
chopped up.
About a cup and a half.
Should I start?
About a cup and a half. Sure, you can stir it up for me. Sure.
Cool.
And then we're going to kind of season the layers. We're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're going to season as we go.
But not too much.
Right.
And salt, you know, sometimes people use sea salt or kosher salt.
Yeah, this is kosher salt.
Kosher salt?
Kosher salt
What's the
I use in my
difference?
kitchen. Sea salt is good as well. I mean, kosher salt's got a good feel.
Okay.
It's not going to be overly salty like if you were used just table salt.
The fine table salt, right.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's good
and
for
it's
cooking.
just easier
to kind of get in your hands.
So we're going to just keep stirring this up. We're going to sweat the vegetables until they're all cooked down. We're going to add a little bit of fresh chopped thyme.
How much of the thyme?
We're probably looking at maybe a tablespoon right there.
All right.
So again, it's very strong. Fresh thyme. I wouldn't use dry thyme, only fresh. So chop it.
Really? Yeah. Chop it up?
Yeah. It's really going to give it special flavor.
What happens with our dried herbs? After a while, they just kind of lose their potency?
Yeah, I don't really. I mean, you know, maybe dried oregano if you're doing something, you know, Italian or so forth, but no dried herbs per se.
No dried herbs. You heard it right here from Chef Neal. Okay. Oh, it's starting to smell really good already.
So this is going to basically get sweated out. It's going to take a while to get that cooked down. Then we're going to add the cremini mushrooms. Okay. About 4 cups of creminis, because they're going to cook down. It's going to cook it's going to cook way down.
They lose a lot of water, right?
It's all moisture. Yeah, it's all moisture.
All right, go for it. You have a really good hefty stir there.
Right. So we're going to keep cooking that until it's totally cooked down. It's going to take a while.
Okay.
So before we add the liquid, basically you want to really sweat this and get the vegetables tender before you put the liquid in, because, you know, it'll cook a little more with the liquid in, but it's better, you know, you're really developing the flavor now as you go. You don't want to caramelize it, but you want to sweat it down so it's kind of clear but totally cooked through.
What happens, how do you get the onions to caramelize? What's going on? A lot of heat?
It's the sugars. It's the sugars in the onions. You could just take a plain onion, cook it in a little oil and butter, you know, start it high and then put it down. That's the way we make our onion soup.
Oh, okay.
The onions are caramelized.
So good. Right, but you don't want that here, obviously.
No.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're doing, like I said, American classic today, holiday thing. Let's say you were to roast a whole turkey for Christmas.
Sure. You can take the leftovers and make
absolutely.
Like turkey pot pies.
Today I'm going to use poached chicken tenders.
Oh, yum.
Which is just going to be, you know, more of a tender kind of chicken. We're going to poach it off in a little bit of chicken stock and milk. Keeps it nice and white. So we're going to cook them like halfway, poach them halfway. Okay. So the chicken is going to stay really, really moist.
Is the liquid boiling when you poach, or is it hot?
No, it's going to be like
hot.
Simmering, yeah.
Okay.
And then right now we're going to start a roux on the other side. I've got butter here. Okay. And this is going to be thickening the whole mixture. So we're going to melt this down. All right. Melt the butter.
There we go. Oh, did I turn it off? Sorry.
You did. That's okay.
I went the other way.
So there we go. We're going to melt this down. We're going to add flour to that and make a roux. Okay. So that's going to be the thickening.
Do you use roux, I would imagine, in French cooking for a lot of foods, right?
We do. We try to stay away from it too much. It's kind of like, you know, it would be like cornstarch in Chinese cooking, so to speak. You know, you don't want too much of that. There's other ways to, you know, we do reductions basically with sauces, so you're not really thickening it with roux. It's just the flavor.
I gotcha.
So.
No, well, you were talking to me too about how Julia Child was somebody who inspired you when you were young.
Oh, absolutely. Grew up watching her.
Yeah, and she loved butter.
Oh, she did.
Yeah, yeah.
Butter and everything, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're right about there. We're gonna we're going to put our chicken stock in.
Okay. How much chicken stock are you putting in?
We're putting in probably about 4 cups. I brought a little extra, so.
And this is chicken stock.
You can always have extra on hand.
Okay.
So if it gets too thick when you put the roux in, you can thin it out a bit, but you do want it on the thick side.
Okay, and you put about 2 cups in there right now, right?
That was 4.
4 cups? Oh, you did put 4 cups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was 4.
And do you make your chicken stock, or can we just?
We do.
Okay. Well, you're the chef.
You
so
can
you're
buy
making-
canned
yeah.
chicken stock.
I
And,
can buy.
yeah, it's a lot easier.
Okay.
So
Excellent.
We're just melting the butter here. We're going to put our flour in. As soon as this is melted, we're waiting for this. This will come up to a boil. We'll thicken it.
All right, and we're starting to slowly run out of time. So how much does this take? How long does this normally take?
Okay, I'm going to speed it up for you in that
Okay.
case. So
How much flour went in there?
that was 4 ounces.
4
so
ounces,
4 ounces
okay.
of butter, 4 ounces of flour.
All right.
We're just going to whisk that nicely and get that cooking.
All right. You want me to whisk it while you do something else?
Sure.
Give me a
Go
job.
ahead.
All right, here we go.
So
Nice.
basically, we're almost there. I'm going to put the roux into the pot.
All right. What else do you use roux for?
You could use it for soups, but we don't really do that. We just do,
More like creams and-
roasted, vegetables and other thing that.
I think it's this one. And is that also possibly because people too are really kind of watching what they eat? They don't want as much butter.
Yeah, you don't want the flour. You don't want the flour necessarily. People, with the
watching their calories.
no gluten and so forth. Yes.
Oh, sure, I bet.
So we're just going to add a little bit of cream to that.
Mm-hmm. That's heavy
It's going to
cream?
give it, heavy cream. It's going to give it a nice little
Wow.
smoothness.
Looks so
Good
beautiful.
flavor. And then we've got our chicken. I said that was poached off
Correct.
right there.
Okay. So that it's not cooked all the way. It continues cooking
Correct.
inside
So it's
the
not going to be
mixture.
dry. And then we've got frozen peas. I'm going to put like a
right.
half a bag of frozen
Okay.
peas in there.
So we got about a minute and a half left. So once this is done,
Right. We're going to take an onion soup crock here that I
okay.
have.
What was the name in French you were telling me?
Tête de lion.
Tête de lion. Okay.
That's, my French. So we're going to, actually, it's going to thicken up, but we're going to just put it in and show you how it's done.
Okay.
So
once it's cooked and it's thick, you stick it in the tête de lion.
yeah, we had.
Here comes the truffle part.
We're going
This
to
is the
put
best
just
part.
a little bit of truffle oil in there.
It's strong, so you just
Very
put like
strong,
a little
yeah,
dash.
drop. And we're going to put just a drop of shaved black truffle.
Oh my gosh.
So that
I love truffles.
aroma's
They
going to
smell
hit you.
So good.
And then I'm going right to the fridge here. I've got
That smells amazing.
I cut a round of puff pastry here.
Okay.
So
And we're almost out of time. So that goes on
We're going to
top.
put that right on.
All right, let's go to the oven.
We're going to brush it.
Oh, all right. With the egg
Right.
yolk. All right, it goes on top. And then I know you brush it again.
And we brush it again.
We have about 30 seconds.
Okay, so let's go to the
Then
oven.
he brushes it again,
Let's
right?
go to the oven.
To the oven. Let's go, because we have some that we're already cooking. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's beautiful.
Right,
Oh, where
I'll
should we
just-
put that, guys?
I'll
Over
just
here?
Set it down right here.
Oh my.
Or actually, let me move this.
Okay. And let's dive in. Do we have a utensil here? That looks
And I
beautiful.
can actually.
Okay, no forks.
Got a spoon for
There
you?
we go.
There you go.
Spoon, even better. Just dive in, right?
Just dive right
Chef?
in. Right in.
Oh my goodness. And this puff pastry is just puff pastry that people can buy at the grocery
And
store, right?
basically, at the restaurant,
Oh
if
my
you want
gosh.
it to cool off
Yeah.
super fast,
Yeah.
what I do is I'll just pop the cap off,
Oh my gosh.
and I'll put this right in,
I didn't wait, I just dove in.
right in there.
Oh my gosh, it's delicious.
And then we'll put the cap
Beautiful.
right back on top.
That's great. Chef, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
It was great having you. It's
Thank
delicious.
Thank you.
We will have the complete recipe on our Facebook page at Your South FL. All right, I'm going to keep eating.